Hello to the people of the world and aliens once again. Welcome to the Life King series, episode 4 slash You don't always have to quit smoking. Well, smoking is a very bad habit. I'm a smoker myself as well, and I think some people just get into it when they're in college. I first started smoking when I was doing my college in Singapore in 2006. On that time exactly, I was about 17 years old. So most of my friends actually used to smoke. One of my best friends got really angry when he found out I started smoking, and he told me that don't smoke if you don't have to. Why are you starting to smoke? It's a very bad habit and you will not be able to let go of it. I didn't realize that on that time because I was really young and I thought smoking, was a cool habit. You look cool with a cigarette in your hand. That's what I thought. But today I regret it. But some people, this is my advice for you. If you have never smoked, please do not try, because it is a very bad habit and it is very, very difficult to quit. If you are already a smoker, you have already tried smoking in your life and you smoke, people really get depressed about how to quit smoking. So I would say personally that you don't always have to quit. You don't always have to quit smoking. Why do I say that? I used to smoke 45 to 50 cigarettes a day. I did that for about 7 to 8 years. Then I realized that it is too much for my body. My body just can't take that much of smoke. I just felt it in my heart that it's not good for me. So I decreased it to about 1 pack a day, which is about 20 cigarettes a day. After that, when I got down to 1 pack a day, I decided that I want to quit smoking cigarettes. So I tried my best, but I couldn't, which I failed. I tried many times, I couldn't. I did it for a week, but then I continued smoking again. Last year I went to a meditation trip for a week, so I didn't smoke the whole week there. But when I came back, I got back to smoking again. So what I thought of myself is, rather than keep trying to quit and fail, it's better I try to decrease it. So what I did, from 45 to 50 cigarettes, I came down to 20, 25. Then when I decided to quit, I did try for 2 or 3 times to quit, but I couldn't. So a lot of people really get depressed, why I can't quit the cigarettes, why the cigarettes are so important in my life. Because they are just a habit, it's just a bad habit. You can't just stop something. Some people can who have a very strong willpower. Not a lot of people can do that. But some people really, they can just stop cold turkey and they don't have a thing. But people like me, I have a very addictive personality. I couldn't do it. I tried it many times. I couldn't do it. So what I thought to myself is, as I can't quit, why not I try to decrease it? So what I did, I took out a win-win solution. Now, from 20 to 25 cigarettes, I brought it down to 18, 15, 12, 11, 10, now at about 8. So now what happens sometimes, what I do, normally I'll smoke 8 to 9 cigarettes a day. So what I will do, the technique is I'll just bring, let's say when I'm going to the office, I'll bring 4 with me, and then sometimes I finish them off, sometimes I still have 1 left. Then when I come back home, I put another 4, so it's 8. So I know if this finishes, then I can't smoke anymore. So it's like a quota type of system, that you have this for the day, and that's it. Sometimes when I'm with my friends, then I smoke a little more. It comes up to about 10, 12 cigarettes on that day. But what I do is, on the next day, I particularly cut it down to 6. So I smoke 2 less. The point is, smoking is a habit. It's a very bad habit. I accept it. And I'm not encouraging anyone to smoke in their life. But people who are already smoking and they are very depressed about it, that they want to quit and they can't do it, and life is shit, whatever. So my advice to them is, don't think about quitting. Think about decreasing. So tell your heart, tell your brain that I'm not going to stop smoking cigarettes. All I'm going to do is decrease it. I'm not going to just smoke without thinking about it. So I'll tell you about myself. I used to smoke without thinking at all. I used to just smoke the whole day. 45 to 50 cigarettes is a lot in just like 12, 13 hours. So that's what I used to do. Then I thought about it. Why am I smoking so much? What is the need of it? If I don't smoke that much, I'm not going to die. So why not enjoy the smoking period? Don't let the cigarette enjoy you. You enjoy the cigarette. So when you smoke less, you really enjoy more of the cigarette. Then you smoke a lot. When you smoke a lot, it just feels like you're killing yourself for no reason. You're slow poisoning yourself. So my advice would be, tell your brain that you don't want to quit it, you want to decrease it, and really only smoke when you really need to. When you really feel the urge of it, then only take one smoke and just forget about it. And there is also another technique what I do sometimes. Let's say I have the urge to smoke, right? I'll burn the cigarette, I'll smoke half of it and I'll just throw it away. That's what I'll do. So in order to prevent me to smoke the whole cigarette, I'll just smoke rather half. It is one of the techniques as well that you can try. I guess that's all for this video. I hope you people liked it, enjoyed it. It's a lovely Sunday over here and I'm just chilling in my garden near my pool. I wish all of you all the best for your future. May God bless us all. Ciao.